Skoda Kushaq, first service at 7,500 km. Second service at 15,000 km, rupees 4,560 for 1 Litre TSI and 4,795 for 1.5 TSI. Third service, rupees 8,450 for 1 Litre TSI and rupees 9,295 for 1.5 TSI. Fourth service, rupees 7,560 for 1 Litre TSI and rupees 7,795 for 1.5 TSI. Fifth service, rupees 9,350 for 1 Litre TSI and rupees 13,000 for 1.5 TSI. Sixth service, rupees 7,560 for 1 Litre TSI and rupees 7,795 for 1.5 TSI. Seventh service, rupees 8,450 for 1 Litre TSI and rupees 9,285 for 1.5 TSI.